you feel yourself at home. So it's good for all the musicians also because they are friends too. So it's nice. It's warm. I feel comfortable, and I think it will be nice to work here.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Basically, because I was listening to the songs, the music, just the music without melody, I have a sense using.
Takes some work.
Yeah. Okay.
Lenny White.
Lenny. Yeah, but I would also like to see how it would sound without.
Can play that the piano well. Play as hard as
Yeah, I mean,
the piano.
I think that it was great, but I would like to hear you play more.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, she singing?
Well, no, not just. I mean, even with Ron,
Yeah.
just in general.
Okay. Yeah, let's do another one.
Open,
Yeah.
You cool with that, Ron?
Sure.
Okay. And so for her,
Should I play a chords? Only chords, like...
Yeah. I mean, maybe you know where. Maybe just. No. Let's see how it works.
I'll do something different.
Yeah.
And then...
Let's see. Let's see if I will just follow him. The bass. To not to get lost.
again,